There's a lot of application you can use to make your flash disk bootable when it's come to change your Windows in your computer. Even others use CMD command. But in this video, we'll go step by step on how we can use powerISO to make our flash disk bootable. So, first step, you need to have your Windows set up, and you need to have a flash disk which is above the GB that the setup have. For example, if you have a Windows setup, for example Windows 10, which is 5 GB, you need to have a flash disk which is 8 GB above. First, you need to be sure that your flash disk, there is no N folder or file in it. So I'll plug in my disk. Here it is come, and my flash disk, it shows there is empty. So for addition, if there is a folder or files, you need to format it. So you need to have a powerISO setup which you can download the different site. So you go, for example, in Opera, you go to Google and type powerISO, and you can choose a free downloadable site. You can download it. After you download it, you install in your PC. After install, you need to open your installed powerISO. As you are not registered, we continue with it and register. So we go to Tools, then we go create bootable USB drive. Then we continue with OK. So that we wait for unregistered, continue. Then we go with unregistered, continue. In image file, we choose our Windows setup. So we go in this folder icon, and we locate where our Windows is located. So mine is on this new folder 2. Here it is, Windows. So you click it and open. In destination USB drive, you choose USB drive you want to make it bootable. So when you do that, we go to start and D. Then at this step, we wait for this process. Memory takes the specifics or properties of computer you use. Some are faster, some are slow. So you need to be patient. The process is done. So after this process is done, you cancel the powerISO application and open the Windows tab. Go to this PC and go down. So as you can see, the flash drive is bootable. So you can use to change or boot your computers. So in the next video, we will go step by step on how we can put or change Windows in our computers. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification button so that you don't miss the next video.